and welcome from LeMay, America's Car Museum. My name is Kelsey and I work in the education department. We are hoping, since we have limited hours, that you can still enjoy everything from the museum at home too. So we've designed these kits for you to enjoy on your own time at home. We're going to go over the unboxing of the kits today, as well as the contents of what's in them, and we are going to learn a little bit about the design process in these kits. We will have different ones for sale at different points in the year. They'll be available in the museum for pickup, and for a nominal fee we can ship them to you as well. The kits start at $10 a piece. So this is our first kit that we have here, a Fueling STEM Innovation Kit with Design. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look inside and see what we have. Each kit is going to come with a little worksheet to help you follow along with the activity, and we'll dive into that a little bit later. You also get in your design kit one Pinewood Derby car, a set of crayons, a set of colored pencils, measuring tape, some stickers, a label, some sandpaper, a pencil, colorful washi tape, some stickers, and then of course a pencil sharpener for your pencil and another eraser in case you need one. In addition to these materials, whatever else you have at home can work for this. Please do not feel limited to the items that we have laid out for you in the box. If you have extra scrap paper at home, if you have any cloth material, if you have cardboard, string, tape, if you have popsicle sticks, pipe cleaners, whatever else you have, if you have coins or buttons, that's totally fine too. Your imagination is the limit, so please feel free to design this however you want using the materials that you have. So while we are thinking about our design, one thing that we want to talk about is the design process and why that's important. The design process is what scientists, engineers, artists, and people from all over use when they're trying to solve a problem. So there are different steps that we want you to think about while you're designing your car. You will see our handy dandy little sheet in your, our handy little chart in your worksheet that goes through the different flow of the design process. So the first thing is to ask, what is the problem? When you're making your car, what is it that you want to focus on? Are you looking for speed? Do you want something that's going to be comfortable? Do you want it to be fun? Start thinking of these things and what your problem is that you want to work on. From there, we want you to imagine or to brainstorm. If I want my car to go faster, what do I need to do to it in order to make that happen?
Now that you've asked or defined the problem, the next step in the design process is to imagine and brainstorm ideas. Here are a few questions for you to think about as you are working through the design process with your car. Who is your car for? Is this your dream car, or are you building the car with someone else in mind? What is the purpose of your car? Is it meant to go fast, or are you designing it to keep the people inside safe? Is it designed to transport large items over long distances, or is it meant to transport people to get them to the places they need to go? Think about all of these things as you are working through your design process. How big does your car need to be? Do you need to fit a ton of people in your car, or would a two-seater car be just fine? What are some of the important parts of a car that you need to include? Of course, you'll want to think about seats, steering wheels, mirrors, seat belts, maybe airbags, headlights. What are some materials that you could use to make these items? And what else could you add? Think about some other features like wings, hood ornaments, rims, spoiler. What else would you like to add to your car to make it unique and fun?
Once you have an idea and you've started the brainstorming process, we encourage you to gather all of your materials and then to start sketching out what you would like to do. We do have some room on this sheet for you to sketch out your design, but you're also welcome to use scrap paper if you have that as well. Once you're feeling very comfortable with your design, you can then start building it with any of the materials that you have.
Awesome job! Your vehicle is finished. Congratulations! However, the design process does not end here. We still have one more step to finish, and that is improving your design, adjusting it, and making modifications. There is never any instance in which scientists, engineers, or artists will be ready to go with their product right out the gate. It has to go through several tests and modifications until they feel comfortable enough either putting it out in the public or selling it. And so you must do the same with your design as well. Did your vehicle go as fast as you were hoping it would? Maybe now would be a good time to make modifications to the weight of it or change the shape to make it a little bit more aerodynamic. Was it as safe as you were hoping it was? Did you test it against the wall for crashes and impacts to make sure that your passengers inside would be safe? Now might be a good time to add in seats, some form of restraints, or bumpers to your vehicle as well if you haven't already.